In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Zebronics audio driver. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is to head on over to zebronics.com, and then once we're here, you want to go ahead and hover over support and click onto driver downloads. Now from here we can do a search for that audio driver, so I'm just going to type in audio for this demonstration, and now just go ahead and find that audio driver you need. So I'm just going to go ahead and download this one here, the Zeb H81. So I'm going to click download. Now that should start downloading automatically like so. So this is about 178 megabytes in size. So I'm just going to let this run its course and get back to the video once it's finished downloading. Okay, so it's finished downloading. So what we need to do is head on over to our downloads. Now from here we can go ahead and find that zip folder, and we didn't want to go and extract all. Now I'm going to extract it into here, click extract. Alright, so it should open up. Now here's the audio, the downloaded Zebronics audio driver inside of here. Now depending which one you want to use, you get two folders. I can go ahead and click into this one, and we're going to have a setup. So we've got a setup.exe. We can run that to install the audio driver.